To add a subdomain in Godaddy, start by logging into your Godaddy account and navigate to the Domain Manager section. Here, you will see a list of all the domains you have registered with Godaddy. Select the domain for which you want to add a subdomain by clicking on the domain name. Next, click on the DNS tab, which is usually located at the top of the page. This will take you to the DNS Manager section, where you can manage all the DNS records for your domain. Click on the Add button to create a new DNS record. In the Add Record section, select the record type as A, which is used to point a subdomain to an IP address. In the Name field, enter the subdomain you want to add. For example, blog or shop. In the Value field, enter the IP address where you want to point the subdomain. If you want to point the subdomain to a website or application hosted with Godaddy, you can select the hosting account from the drop-down list instead of entering an IP address. Click on the Add Record button to save the changes. It may take some time for the DNS changes to propagate globally, so be patient and allow up to 48 hours for the subdomain to become active. Once the subdomain is active, you can use it to access your website or application. It is also a good practice to set up a subdomain in your website or application to handle requests from the subdomain. This can be done by configuring the subdomain in your website or application settings. In addition, make sure to test the subdomain after setting it up to ensure it is working correctly. You can do this by accessing the subdomain in a web browser to verify that it is pointing to the correct IP address or hosting account. By following these steps, you can easily add a subdomain in Godaddy and start using it to access your website or application. Remember to always keep your DNS records up to date to ensure your subdomain remains active and accessible.